Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm introducing my friend Alyssa. So today we're actually playing dominoes and today we're playing a maze and race game, okay? So now my friend Alyssa will play the maze game and I'm going to start the timer and see how much time will it take to how to complete this maze. 1, 2, 3, let's start! Timer set up, so now he will start and then I'll tell you how much time he takes. He's going to do a race game with dominoes. And this is a game. So we get one, we write, okay, 4 plus 0.5 is 5. Like that. Is 6. So let's start. So let's start. So now we will do the same thing, but we'll do subtraction this time. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. So now we are done, and we had fun playing this game. Like this, we could play multiplication with dominoes. So now I'm doing multiplication, just like few questions or like every question.
And then we'll just see how he does. Play this at home with your friends, with your family, or anyone you like. You can, if you don't have dominoes, you can just have a sheet of paper and cut them in. And you need to put a line.
Okay. So I did the multiplication.
So, for example, you can just trace it as a rectangle. This is the outline of it. And then you can put a line. And you can write 2. If you forgot what it is, you can just put a plus sign in the middle of it, or you don't need to. By writing the number, you can, for example, you can draw the line. And we'll put the dots with different colors. We can do it like this, or we can do it like this. It's your wish.
Here, we're both giving questions to each other.
Okay, so now we gave each other some additions.
So now we're actually doing answers.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Before that, I just want to tell that you can play this game with anyone.
You could play this game with anyone you want.
We can also play with dominoes like this.
Some like you could play dominoes like this, like you could just stack a line or do like a circle. If we push one domino, every dominoes fall, and it's like very cool. You could see this in YouTube and places. You could enjoy with dominoes a lot. You could play like anything you want.
I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye! And subscribe to my friend channel.